Again, I thought I'd give you a little bit of information on how I cook these boards, okay? How I bend these composite decking boards. So I use a Trex oven, a Trex gas oven. Apparently they don't make them anymore. And we got a brain which regulates the temperature. It cooks on gas, and it'll reach its temperature, then it will cut out, go down a couple of degrees and start back up, and that's how it regulates the temperature on the boards. I can cook 2 8-foot lengths at a time, which is quite good because you can stage your curving. So I'm laying everything out as I build it. So that's the top of the deck. The problem I got here now is we are really stretching ourselves, because my steps are nearly 16 foot long. These are big steps, and the idea is where you've got that curve in the front of the deck, that step lines up perfectly. So we transfer that radius all the way down the steps. Big, chunky, impressive steps coming off this lovely curved inlay in the deck. So there we are, that's how I curve composite decking boards. I got another day tomorrow. I'm hoping to wrap this up Friday. I'm going to be back on site Monday and get building again. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.